If you are looking to lose weight, it's important to set yourself up for success by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you to focus your efforts and stay motivated. Consider setting goals for things like increasing your physical activity, reducing your intake of added sugars and unhealthy fats, or eating more fruits and vegetables. To achieve your weight loss goals, it's important to make a plan for how you will reach them. This may include things like tracking your food intake, increasing your physical activity, or seeking support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Consider finding activities that you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, and make a plan to incorporate them into your routine. It can be helpful to set aside a specific time each day for physical activity and to track your progress to see how far you've come. As you work towards your weight loss goals, it's important to focus on nourishing your body with healthy, whole foods. Rather than restricting or eliminating entire food groups, try to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. Aim to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, and choose whole grains, such as quinoa, oats, and brown rice, over refined grains. Also, try to choose lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and brown rice.